Would you survive if your only friend melted away? Kiko wandered the freezing streets, completely invisible. Desperate and alone, he built someone to love. A fragile friend in a cold, unforgiving city. Freezing to death, he gave up his only warmth. A tiny sacrifice for his new best friend. He hugged the ice and finally felt at home. But morning brought the sun and a terrifying sound.
Drip, drip. Kiko woke up, panic in his eyes.
His friend was gone, erased by the daylight. Just a soaked muffler and a shattered heart. Don't let Kiko be alone. Subscribe to stay with him.